What's up, stock fam? I'm back with another video, and y'all already know I love Dogecoin, and of course you know it's in the video. But before we get into this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, tap that bell, turn on your post notifications so you can be notified when I post another video, you guys. And do not forget, I am doing a $500 cash giveaway when I reach 5,000 subscribers. The only thing you have to do is subscribe to my channel, turn on those post notifications, and watch my video, you guys. And comment the code word that I say in the video when I reach 5,000 subscribers, and you can be a winner. It's that simple, you guys. And also, subscribe if you want more content about Dogecoin. Y'all already know I'm willing to do it. Hit that subscribe button if you want more. Now, let's get into these stocks. As you can see, I am investing $810.99, you guys. And yes, that has went up today. Now, let's get into this. We're going to go live and see how it's looking live. All right. If you do not have Robinhood app, make sure you download Robinhood app so you can get a free stock. And if you not invested in Dogecoin, you also invest in Dogecoin on this app. So that's killing two birds with one stone. Now, let's get into these free stocks, you guys. Yes, you absolutely get free stock when you download Robinhood app. It's in the description. And don't forget, it's free giveaways in the description. So you guys, go and get you a gift. I promise you, you'll like them. Free stocks. Agnes is $3.38 a share, you guys. I have one share. My total return is $3.38, and they do not pay dividends. Now, as you can see, my total return is the same as the market value and the share price, you guys. That's because this stock was absolutely free. As you can see, it said average cost $0. I did not have to pay anything for this stock. And if I scroll down to learn more about a stock, go to the About section, click on the More tab, and it will give you a brief description of that particular stock. And of course, on some of them, they have analyst ratings, but we're going to get to that, you guys. So stick around and see these gains. Ford Motors is $6.95 a share. I have one share. My total return is $6.95, and they pay dividends. Now, as you can see, Ford has recent news that was posted about 6 hours ago, you guys. Now, if you have a stock that have recent news, make sure you read those articles. It will give you an insight on why that particular stock is going up or is going down. You have to do your research. So read the recent news. And of course, they have 19 analyst ratings. 15.8% says buy. 73.7% says hold. 10.5% says sell. Now, do you have to go by these analyst ratings? No, you do not, you guys. It's 19 people. 19 people out of how many thousands of hundreds of thousands of people that are invested in Ford. And you're going to go by 19 people? No, you do not need to go by these analyst ratings. I suggest you do your research first, and then you invest. You invest. If you want to invest, you invest. If not, don't do it. VBI Vaccines is $4.53 a share. I have one share. My total return is $4.53, and they do not pay dividends. And they also have recent news. Like I said, read the recent news. Now, the stock market has been absolutely wonderful today, you guys. And if you agree, hit that subscribe button. Helix Energy is $4.60 a share. I have one share. My total return is $4.60, and they do not pay dividends. And y'all just stick around. We're going to get to that coin. Stick around. Southwestern Energy is $2.98 a share. I have one share. My total return is $2.98, and they do not pay dividends. Plug Power is $9.20 a share. I have two shares. My total return is $18.40, and they do not pay dividends. Now, one thing about these free stocks, you guys, if you wanted to sell it and take the total return, you can do that. Now, I'm not telling you to do that because over here, y'all, stock fam over here, we don't sell. We are investing long term. We all about them gains over here. That's right. And Antero Midstreams is $6.66 a share. I have one share. My total return is $6.66, and they do pay dividends. As you can see, I do have a dividends that will be paid August the 12th, which is the amount of 31 cents, and I have it so it will be reinvested into my stock, which is a great decision. SiriusXM is $5.92 a share. I have three shares. My total return is $17.76, and they do pay dividends, you guys. Low dividends, but hey, a little is better than nothing. Marathon Oil is $5.82 a share. I have one share. My total return is $5.82, and they do pay dividends. ADT is $11.85 a share. I have one share. My total return is $11.87, and they also pay dividends. Plus, they do have recent news. Recent news, you guys. Like I say, always read the recent news because news and media change the market. Remember that. Things people say change the stock market. Always remember that. So if you hear something about a stock that you know that's going to make it rise, get you a trade option. If you hear something about a stock that you know is going to make it drop, put in your put option. And yes, I do options, you guys. Sabra is $8.25 a share. I have four shares. My total return is $33. And they do pay dividends. Apache is $16.23 a share. I have one share. My total return is $16.23. As you can see, they do pay dividends. I have 3 cents, which is pending, will be paid out August the 21st. And I do have it set up so it can reinvest into my stock. So these are all the free stocks I have here on Robinhood app, you guys. And if you see any stock on this particular list that you want to invest in, please do your research first. But also download the Robinhood app so you can get a free stock. And you can very well get one of these. Hey, they're giving away free stock. Just download the app, you guys. It's in the description. Now, Robin stocks are the stocks I've actually bought here on Robinhood. Lianluo is 54 cents a share. I have 15 shares. My total loss is $2.57, and they do not pay dividend. And of course, this is a penny stock, you guys. Call me the penny stock queen because I have a lot of penny stocks. Really. Polymet Mining is 51 cents a share. I have 7 shares. My total loss is 21 cents, and they do not pay dividends. Lantam Airlines is $1.76 a share. I have 2 shares. My total loss is 4 cents, and they do pay dividends. And this stock is currently delisted from Robinhood. Every is $6.42 a share. I have 2 shares. My total return is $1.74, and they do not pay dividends. Cielo is 94 cents a share. I have 3 shares. My total loss is 56 cents and they pay dividends. Taranis Technologies is 6 cents a share. I have 30 shares. My total loss is $4.24 and they do not pay dividends. And also this stock is delisted from from Robinhood. G Group is $1.08 a share. I have 34 shares. My total return is $26.62 and they do not pay dividends, you guys. And like you see that penny stocks do gain. Penny stocks gain, you guys. Denbury is 3 cents a share. I have 101 shares. My total loss is $26.25. And this stock is also delisted, which they do not pay dividends. And hey, this was out the blue for me because I was like, what in the world happened? But, hey, it's stock. So you are at risk or losing money, you guys. And it's a wonderful thing when you're gaining. Orogenics is $1.12 a share. I have 30 shares. My total return is $17.47 and they do not pay dividends. Just Energy is 36 cents a share. I have 7 shares. My total loss is 28 cents and they pay dividends, you guys. Penny stocks. Marathon Patent Group is $4.38 a share. I have 3 shares. My total return is $10.65 and they do not pay dividends. Hexo is 70 cents a share. I have 4 shares. My total return is 8 cents and they do not pay dividends, you guys. Just be patient, watch them gains, and we're going to get to Dogecoin in a minute, you guys. You know it's coming. Therapeutics MD is $2.06 a share. I have 5 shares. My total return is $3.81 and they do not pay dividends. And I'm loving these gains. Today, you guys, the market was on fire. If you experienced that fire and you got some gains, let me know what you gained in today. Comment below. CBDMD is $3.65 a share. I have 5 shares. My total return is $11.55 and they do not pay dividends. Precision is $4.87 a share. I have 2 shares. My total return is $3.82 and they do not pay dividends. Genius Brands, it went up a little bit, but it's still not as high as it was about a month or 2 ago, you guys. Genius Brands is $1.69. I have 4 shares. My total loss is $19.10, which is ridiculous. They do not pay dividends. But it's all good. Like I say, I'm not a stock advisor, stock analyst, or financial advisor. When you invest in stock, you are doing it at a risk. So always research before you invest in any type of stock, you guys. Two Arbors Investments is $5.35 a share. I have 2 shares. My total return is $1.71 and they pay dividends. Yeah. Abzul Airlines is $11.76 a share. I have 1 share. My total return is $2.26 and they do not pay dividends. Ballard Power Systems is $15.30 a share. I have 1 share. My total return is $5.24 and they do not pay dividends. Plus they do have recent news. And you know the news is where it is, you guys. Co-Diagnostics is $28.19 a share. I have 1 share. My total return is $14.85 and they do not pay dividends. And these are all the stocks I've bought here on Robinhood app. If you see any stocks on this list that you want to invest in, please do your research, and Google is your best friend. I promise you that. Renewable energies. Now, I'm actually just going to scroll up through this section. You can pause the video, and if you see any stocks that you would like to invest in, please do your research first before you invest in any stock, you guys. And as you know, the red means that particular stock is going down, and the green means that particular stock is on the rise. And you know, the best time to invest in a stock is when it drops. Remember that, stock fam. Cannabis. Cannabis. Now, I'm going to scroll up and we're going to go through the cannabis stocks. And if you see any stocks on this list that you want to invest in, please do your research first. And like I always say, when the stock drops, that's the best time to invest. And you guys noticed that the cannabis was really up this week. And today it went down. So you know when it goes down, that's the best time to invest. But always do your research first. Now let's get into this watch list, you guys. And I'm going to also scroll up. And if you see any stocks that you want to invest in on my watch list, please do your research first. And you guys, please be aware of Apple. Apple is going to have a stock split that's coming real soon. Now, I know this stock has been going up, you guys. So just know it will be a stock split. So be aware of that. Now, sometimes, I don't want to scare you, but when a stock split happens, you know that particular stock goes down. So it will be a drop. It will be 4-1. So every 4 shares that you have in Apple will become 1 share. Now, when that stock split happened, now I'm unsure of how much the stock will be, but it's going to drop, which will give people like you and me an opportunity to invest at a lower price. So once it drops, just know that it will go back up. It will go back up, you guys. It will go back up. Even though there's a stock split coming and the stock is rising at this point. But it's going to drop. And it has potential to rise again after the stock split because there will be even more investors. Okay. Now I'm going to continue to go up. And if you see, like I say, any stocks on this list that you want to invest in, do your research first. Do your research and always use Google, you guys. Now, if I go to the search tab, the browse section is the bomb here. Now, if you wanted to search a particular company, click on the search tab. Type in whatever company you want to search. It will take you to that particular stock. Of course, you have the share prices, the analyst ratings, and if they have recent news, you guys, always read the recent news. Always read the recent news. Take that from me. Always read the recent news because research is the key. Research is the key. Now, in the browse section, this section has a lot of information, you guys, and it's up-to-date information. So if you see any of your stock in an article on this browse section, click on that article as soon as possible because you need to read about your stock if you see it here on this browse section. And of course, all great info. Now, Biofrontera. This stock, it's amazing. Now, this stock went up 378.57% today, you guys. Biofrontera. I'm guessing that's how you say it. Correct me if I'm wrong. But as you can see, it went up $21.20. Now, today, the highest this stock been today was $55. It opened up at $6.71. The highest it got today was $55, you guys. And the lowest it got was $6.28. Do you know that's amazing? In one day? Now, the 52 weeks high is $55. And the 52 weeks low is $5.27. Now, that's amazing. To go up $22.70 a share in one day. Now, let's go to the about section and really see what is this. Of course, medical. Medical, you guys. Now, you know that the healthcare industry, those stocks has been going through the roof. Now, this stock went up major today. Now, don't get me wrong. A lot of you, I don't know if you've seen it, but if you did see it, let me know in the comment section, did you invest or not? Because I know if you invested, you probably seen it going up and wanted to get in. You probably seen it going up and wanted to get in. Now, if you got in about 8:50, you was in luck, or 9 o'clock. You was in luck. You was in luck. Because after that, it just went through the roof. After that, it just went through the roof. Now, if you got in this when it was exactly $55, now you lost some gains. You lost a whole lot of gains. Because that's why I say, get in on a drop. Now, just because it rose up today, it can clearly, hopefully it don't, and y'all keep y'all gains if you invest in this company, but it could just go down. As you can see, it went down after hours, $4.10. So, yes, even though it rise up the most high, it can go down very fast. So, y'all just watch out for that. But that was if you invested in that was a great investment, and you got a lot of gains off of that. And these are just the top movers, the ones that went up the most or dropped the most, you guys. So this section right here, it's highly recommended that you go through it. Now, let's get into these cryptos to watch. Marathon Patent Group, like I said, is a crypto mining company. We went over this earlier. Now, Riot Blockchain is also a crypto mining company. It's $4.17 a share, you guys. I have 31 shares. My total return is $87.88. Now, this is a great investment. As you can see, I got in when this particular stock was about $1.34. Now it's worth $129.27. That's because my return is $87.88. Now you do the math. This was a very great investment, and they do not pay dividends. And you know that cryptocurrency is going up, so they will have to mine more. If they're selling more, they'll have to mine more. Come on. These cryptocurrency mining companies, you better get them while you can. Now, Dogecoin. Let's get into Dogecoin. We're going to do live right now, you guys. Okay. Dogecoin is in the red right now. That means that it has dropped. Yes, you guys, Dogecoin has dropped. So you know on that drop, that means you need to invest, because now that doesn't necessarily mean, it's going back up. It's going back up. So on a drop, it's best to invest on a drop, you guys. But let me tell y'all this. Dogecoin is not dropping like you wanted to drop. It's not dropping that way. Now, I'm all in for Dogecoin. And you guys, it's a fraction of a penny. One coin doesn't even cost you a penny. And I say this in my videos all the time because I want you to understand that one Dogecoin does not cost you a penny. It's less than a penny. Less than a penny. Now, we're going to go back to about a week. Past week. Now, as you can see, Dogecoin rose August the 1st, right here. It rose up. It got up to about 37.12. And then it dropped. It dropped, you guys. It took a drop. It did not take a major drop, but it took a drop. And it came back up. It's actually been kind of stable, you guys. It haven't really took a major drop. Now, if it would have took a major drop, let me show you something. It would have probably been down here. Been down here somewhere. That's a major drop. You know, we can go back 3 months. If it took a major drop, hey, let me show you. It could have been back down here. It could have been back down this way if it would have took a major drop. And as you can see, as it been going up, it has been staying stable. Go up, stay stable until right here it went down. Now, after this big rocket right here, it went down and it came back up, staying stable, going up and staying stable. It's not making any major drops, you guys. Y'all have to pay attention to that. Look at the charts now. There's no major drops. Dogecoin is staying stable. It's staying stable. Now, if you don't understand this, come on, you guys. Now, let me go to detail. As you can see, I have 87,205 Dogecoins, which valued at $305.65. Now, I've lost a little bit today. I've lost about $3.66 today, but my overall return is $49.54. $49.54. Now, you know Dogecoin has potential. And of course, you might say, I'm boosting it. Yes. When you know that something costs you less than a penny, and people out here telling y'all that it's a pump and dump scheme, this scheme, that's worth this, worthless, whatever. And they want you to listen to them. Now, someone brought this to my attention who was talking about Dogecoin in the comments. The same people that's telling you not to invest in Dogecoin are the same people that's probably buying thousands and thousands and thousands of Dogecoins. Now, if I've bought thousands of Dogecoins, but I'm not telling you not to invest. I'm telling you to do your research and then you decide if you want to invest or not. But clearly, I'm invested. You guys. I'm invested 100%. Now, as you can see, let me type in 1 cent. Well, that's actually 10. So we're gonna do actual 1. For 1 cent, you get 2. Do you see that? Every 1 cent, you get 2 Dogecoin. Now that just, look. You get 14 for 5 cents. Now you know that's unbelievable. 99 cents, you get 282. You guys, they are extremely, like seriously, they are extremely cheap. You might as well to get them while they cheap. $20, you get 5,715. Come on now. Then when this coin get up to $1, you got $5,711. Now, only if you own 1,000,000 of them, I'm on my way to 100K. So if you want to see me get to 100K Dogecoins, subscribe to my channel right now. If you want to see me get to 100K Dogecoin, subscribe right now. For more videos like this and you want to see that 100K Dogecoins, subscribe. We on the road to 100K. Dogecoin is dropping, you guys. It's dropping. It's dropping. And you know what to do on a drop? You invest on a drop. You invest on a drop. Now, when it's rising, like up here in the green, when it's rising like this, hold off. Let it go. Let your Dogecoins build. But then, when it take that drop, when it take this drop, like this drop right here, going down, taking that drop. Y'all see that? That drop. That's when you invest on a drop. Because it's going to go back up. And then it drops again. Now, if you wait to invest and buy more, bam, that's another drop. Reinvest on a drop. Then it's going to go up. That's what I've been saying. Reinvest if you already have them on a drop, you guys. Just like the stock market. If it goes up, it can come down. But when it come down on that drop, you reinvest because the prices drop. And you get more for your money. You get more for your money. Remember that, you guys. Remember that. Now, make sure you subscribe if you want more content about Dogecoin. And if you want to see me get to 100,000 Dogecoin, hit that subscribe button and let me know. Now, let's get over to Ripple, you guys. And oh yeah, don't forget, free giveaways in the description below. Get you some. Now, Ripple is currently going up. 30 cents a Ripple. Now, if you do not have Coinbase, download the Coinbase app, which is in the description below, you guys. The Coinbase app is in the description below. And if you download that app, you will get $10. 10 free dollars. When you download Coinbase, it's in the description below. If you want to invest in Ripple or any other cryptocurrency, they do have a lot of choices on that app. And on that app, you will not see Ripple, but you will see XRP. Just in case you were looking for Ripple. It's the same thing, you guys. 30 cents. 30 cents. Now, I want to see how far back I can go. Let's do some comparison. Now, do you see this? This how Dogecoin looking right now. This what Dogecoin looking like. And then all of a sudden it got a spike. Bam. Gains, you guys. And it got to $1.26. $3.84. Now that's amazing. That's amazing. That's why I say Dogecoin has potential. Dogecoin has potential. Y'all stop. I'm telling you, Dogecoin has potential. You see the process of Ripple? Okay. Let's go to the next one. Ethereum Classic is $7.22 a coin. A crypto. However you want to call it. Whatever you want to call it. It's $7.22. You can also buy it on Robinhood. But like I said, download the Coinbase app, which is the most secured app for cryptocurrency, you guys. It's the most secure. Litecoin is $59.04, and it look like it's just zooming up. I'm telling y'all, cryptocurrency is on the move. It's on the move, And if you're not invested, oh my God, what are you waiting on? Do your research and start investing. Invest in your future, you guys. Don't let these cryptocurrency pass you by. Do not let it pass you by. As you can see, Bitcoin is about almost $12,000 for one. It started off the same, less than a penny. So y'all do not forget. Do your research and decide if you're going to invest or not. Do not let anyone change your mind. It's your money. You put your money where you want to put your money. Don't let people change your mind. And I'm here to tell you, I'm not telling you to invest. I'm telling you to do your research and decide. Invest in your future, you guys. Thank me later. Thank me later. Your girl is 100% invested. And like I said, subscribe if you want more content on Dogecoin, you guys. And also, if you want to see that 100,000, you want to see me get to 100,000 Dogecoin, you already know what to do. Hit that subscribe button right now. And I really do appreciate you guys for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Turn on those post notifications. And don't forget, I will be doing a $500 cash giveaway when I reach 5,000 subscribers, you guys. The only thing you have to do to enter the giveaway is subscribe to my channel. Turn on your post notifications. And watch the videos, you guys. Then comment the code word that I say in the video when I reach 5,000 subscribers. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching my videos, Stock Fam. I really do appreciate you guys supporting my channel. Make sure you give me a thumbs up on this video and come back for more. I will be back with another video soon. Peace.